Did you know that WordPress stands to be the leading website creation tool among top 1 million websites? Undeniably, its flexible, user-friendly interface, customizable themes, and the ability to provide a ready-made layout, design, and feel of the website are factors that make it the best tool for website creation. However, with 10,000 plus themes currently available online, choosing a good theme for your blog can confuse you. To help you choose the perfect theme for your blog, we have come up with the best WordPress blog theme in 2021. Hi, this is Komal Kashish and it's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel Netley once again. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified when we launch more of such videos. The best part about WordPress themes is that you can pick them up even if you are on a shoestring budget. Before we go ahead with the list of these themes for your blogs, here is what you need to consider while choosing the right theme for your blog. Number 1. Simplistic. A WordPress theme that is loaded with numerous features will probably increase the downtime on your website. This can further lead to frustration for the readers and eventually to low traffic. Therefore, it's best to pick a simple theme. Number 2. Responsive. As per the statistics by Statista 2019, there are currently 813.2 million mobile users in India alone. This indicates how imperative it is that your blog's theme is mobile friendly. Keeping this in mind, choose a WordPress theme that is responsive on mobile as well. Number 3. Reviews. Skimming through user reviews is undoubtedly a great way to know if it is a good theme or not. If you come across a WordPress theme that has a bunch of bad reviews, stay away from that WordPress theme. Now that you know the basics for picking the most suitable theme for your blog, here are the best WordPress themes you can give a try. Number 1. Javelin. If you are looking for a simple, user-friendly yet creative and responsive WordPress theme, Javelin can be a perfect choice. It is a multi-purpose theme and works for all types of blogs, from a writing blog or a food blog to a blog of a designer. One prominent feature that makes this WordPress theme likable is that most bloggers find a comfortable space that helps them effortlessly publish their content, photos, or anything in general. Key features: single-click website installation, drag and drop tool for page building, convenient social sharing, SEO optimized, coding knowledge not required, 40 plus animation elements. Price $59. Number 2. Foodica. Quite evident from its name, Foodica is one of the specific WordPress blog themes for food-related sites or foodie blogs. The theme consists of beautiful and specialized content display, shortcuts that are custom built to add features like create recipes for your website or blog audience. Further, its layout is specially built in a way that enables you to share food pictures or images with the content systematically. Key features: easy on-click demo installation, 6 color schemes, visual customizer, several ad zones for uploading banners, compatible with Gutenberg WordPress editor. Price $69. Number 3. The Blogger. For those who are passionate about weaving words to create magical content pieces, be it in the form of storytelling, writing, or blogging, the Blogger proves to be a perfect WordPress theme. This theme gives Ninja Form compatibility and Lightbox integration for several aspects. It has launched 11 demos so far, which support all formats for postings. You can create an impressive website through this theme by choosing from more than 800 post sliders and Google Fonts. Key features: doesn't require coding skills, mobile friendly and retina ready, easy sharing on social media, drag and drop feature in link box widgets and main slider. Price $59. Number 4. Writey. This one is a great WordPress theme for a corporate, fashion, travel, food or personal blog. It is mobile friendly, fully responsive feature, pixel perfect elements and design layout make this WordPress theme a choice of many. Its downloads have reached as high as 2,552 downloads in a single day. Key features: full width picture slider, WooCommerce integration, fully responsive design, 600 plus Google fonts and social media sharing widgets. It comes for free. Number 5, Flat. A 2-column design layout with a modern appearance, this WordPress theme is sure to entice you with its minimalistic look, great features and its suitability for all types of blogs. The theme comes with header support, custom background, custom logo, large featured pictures and images. It comes with a live theme customizer using which one can set options for flexible customization. Key features: convenient to use theme option panel, customizable sidebar panel for navigation, animated timeline with drop-in effect and drag and drop builder. Price $59. Number 6, Photo Blogster. This free blog theme is a blessing for authors, writers and photographers. With a homepage that has featured posts in a great type layout, this theme never fails to keep visitors hooked to the website created with this theme. Key features: 350 milliseconds load time, follows Google's guidelines for on-page SEO, clean code and fully responsive design. Price $32. Number 7, Revive. Another free theme blog for WordPress. Revive has a layout style suited to magazines that have large header images and feature write-ups for display in the form of a post grid. Also, it lets you have access to the font awesome icons and effectively supports blog with multiple layouts. Key features: responsive design that is compatible with multiple screens like desktop, tablet, mobile, etc. Font awesome icons for an interactive experience. SEO and speed optimized. Social media icons, custom widget and sidebar options can turn into an e-commerce store with WooCommerce plugin. It comes for free. Number 8, Hemingway. Hemingway is a simplistic theme for our WordPress blogging with a 2-column layout that makes your published content easy to read. It is an ideal theme for beginners who don't want to get overwhelmed by a complicated setup or too many alternatives to choose from. Its parallax scrolling feature that gives a fast 3D effect is quite a cool feature. Key features: auto-translate into a bunch of other languages. Video type scrolling feature in 3D. Retina ready and responsive. Simplistic 2-column theme. And custom widgets for Dribble, Flickr and video. It comes for free. Number 9, The Reader. If you want to build some spectacular web pages with eye-catching sidebars and great features, look no further as The Reader is a fantastic option for you. The WordPress theme for blogs caters to almost every type of audience with its 6 color palettes, responsive design and easy to install setup that requires no coding skills. Key features: search engine optimization ready, speed optimized, advanced typography alternatives, ad scene optimized and comes with an inbuilt schema feature. Price $29. Last but not the least, number 10, Joon. Joon is another coding-free theme with enormous scope for customization and a rich layout. You get to easily add sliders and elements on sections and pages with just a few clicks. The WordPress theme comes with a bunch of premium and cool plugins like iLightbox, Apple Light Photo, Layer Slider, Slider Revolution, etc. that make the theme a must-have for your blog regardless of the type it is. Key features: wide range of templates and demo that are easy to install, clutter-free layout, SEO optimized, beginner friendly and doesn't require coding skills. Price $59. These are the best WordPress themes for blogs in 2021 that you should try out for your blog. A good website theme is one of the significant factors for attracting traffic to the website and keeping the audience hooked. Look no further and pick the right WordPress theme that suits your blog. Thank you for watching our video and we hope you found it useful. Please share the video, like and tell others too about it. We look forward to hearing your thoughts on topics you would like to see and we will do our best to accommodate your requests. For more information, see the blog links given below. See you soon in our next video.